Hi guys, back with a new video, and in this one I'm gonna paint up whole space. This is from Z Studios and you can find them on Patreon or on Instagram. Now let's just jump into it. And now here I'm gonna use this gray to do the base color. Now as you can see in the background, I'm painting all three bases up at the same time. So these will be matching colors. So it's two for Hulk and one for the Hulk Buster. When I done this with the rock, I didn't know that a Hulk Buster companion will come out for it. So when I noticed that, I decided to go with the original base as well. So the base with the rock that I'm gonna paint up now, it's a digital kit badge that I made. Sometimes I like to transform a little bit my models to be more unique. And now here with the trusty gnome oil, I'm gonna do some shadows. Now on this one it's just a simple rock, so it's not too much details that you can do, but you can still give a little bit of details with different type of washes. So I'm just gonna do that, and soon I'm gonna post up a video about how I'm painting up the rocket as well, so stay tuned for that. And here I'm going to use this brown contrast paint just to do a little bit of dirt between the rocks, just to make it look a little bit more detailed. The color scheme for the base with the rocket will be the exact same as this one, but I'm going to use a little bit of shadows differently. So I'm going to do a comparison with the video between the two of them, so you can see how much does affect how you use your shadows, how you use your washes and your highlights. So as I mentioned before, I'm going to use different type of washes. So I'm not going to apply them in the same place or everywhere the same way, and this is going to make the statue pop a little bit. It's quite a simple one, it's rock, it's not too much to do on it. Now soon I'm going to paint up the Hulk Buster as well, so I think they will go really nice together. Both of the statues will be from Z Studios, and the base with the rock, I done this because I didn't know the companion comes out, and if I want just to display Hulk by itself, now I can. Or maybe I will paint up another Hulk and use the rock base for him. We will see. Now if will be another Hulk that I will paint up, probably will be the grey Hulk with the torn shirt. So when it comes to that, we will see what I'm gonna do actually with the second base. And now here finally I'm gonna do some dry brushing with this light gray all over the rock parts. Try not to go too heavy with this one, do it as light as possible. And because you can see on the video as well, the base start to come alive. And here I'm gonna go back with the Agrax Earthshade and give some more depth to the deepest parts of the sculpt, just to bring out the shadows a little bit more.
I'm feeling my way through the quiet, trying to find where I belong. Don't know how far I've got to go, but I know I've got to stay strong. People say I'm dreaming too loud, then maybe I should slow it down.
And with this black wash, this will be the last part, and this I'm going again just here and there a little bit with the deepest parts of the sculpt. Just make them a little bit pop. And now you made it to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. And if you like what I'm doing here and you would like to support my work, you can do so on my Patreon. Give it a like, give it a subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Soon the base with the rocket will come out, and then Hulk itself. Stay tuned and hope to see you on the next one. Enjoy.